Hi, I'm at the computer listening to Electric Sugar Pop, and my computer has an effing power outage. See, earlier it said Internet Explorer cannot display this image. Here it is again. I effing hate them. First the TV goes black, now this. Screw electricity. Let's see what I can do. Tools, work offline. Thank God my iTunes is working. Get out of here. This will be a while. Let's see what I can do. Okay. Hope it'll work now. If it doesn't, then screw it. And if you know how to fix iTunes, because it's on repeat, if you know how to fix it, can you tell me? Because either my brother or my cousin jacked it up, so... Candy and champagne, your hand keeps us in the game. Alright, well, screw this. I'll talk to you later. Bye.